Hi everyone, welcome back to Talk Easy English. In today's video, you're going to listen to a short English story called A Morning to Remember. It's a simple story about a woman named Lisa and her first day at a new job. While you listen, try to understand the meaning and follow the story carefully. Are you ready? Let's begin.
The first light of morning slipped through the curtains and touched Lisa's face. The alarm rang softly beside her bed. She opened her eyes, took a deep breath, and smiled. It was her first day at a new job, and she wanted everything to be perfect. She got up and walked slowly to the bathroom. The floor felt cold under her feet. Lisa looked in the mirror. Her hair was a mess, but her eyes were full of hope. "You can do it, Lisa," she whispered to herself. The sound of running water filled the room as she brushed her teeth and washed her face. The smell of coffee came from the kitchen. She made herself a hot cup and toasted 2 slices of bread. As she ate, she checked her phone. A message popped up from her best friend, Anna. "Good luck today. You'll be amazing." Lisa laughed softly. She finished her breakfast, grabbed her bag, and stepped outside. The morning air was cool and clean. The sky was bright blue, and birds were singing on the trees. At the bus stop, she saw an old man reading a newspaper and a young boy holding his mother's hand. Everyone looked busy, ready to start the day. When the bus arrived, Lisa climbed aboard and sat near the window. The city moved past her, shops opening, people hurrying, cars honking, the usual music of morning life. After a short ride, she reached the office building. It was tall, with glass doors that reflected the sunlight. A kind security guard smiled and said, "Good morning." Lisa smiled back. "Good morning, sir." Inside, everything felt new. The soft hum of computers, the smell of fresh paper, and the sound of quiet conversations. A man named Tom greeted her at the entrance. "You must be Lisa. Welcome. Let me show you your desk." He led her to a small but comfortable spot near the window. Soon, another woman, Maria, appeared with a warm smile. "Would you like some tea?" "Yes, please. Thank you so much," Lisa said politely. As the morning passed, Lisa learned new things, met new people, and began to feel less nervous. At lunchtime, everyone sat together, sharing stories and jokes. For the first time that day, Lisa laughed loudly. The sound made her feel like part of the team. When work finally ended, the sun was already setting. Lisa walked home slowly. The sky was painted in soft orange and pink colors, and the air was calm. She thought about her day, the smiles, the new friends, the warm welcome. "It was a good start," she whispered. That night, as she lay in bed, Lisa felt tired but happy. Her first day was over, but her new life had just begun. Great job, everyone. You just finished listening to A Morning to Remember. How much did you understand? Don't worry if it's not everything. Listening takes practice. You can play this story again and repeat after me to improve your pronunciation. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share to help others learn English too. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next lesson.